Hello everyone, today I want to share with you a useful tip on how to obtain a Microsoft Ads coupon that grants you an ad credit of $400 for a $200 spend. Totally easy and free. Now note that advertising coupons are only relevant for those of you who are new to online advertising and haven't set up your Microsoft account yet. If you had created your Microsoft account more than a month ago, I'd recommend either creating a new one or contact us and we will check what can be done. Now usually, once you create a new Microsoft advertising account, you will receive a $25 $75 coupon, depending on your business and country. But today, I'm going to show you a great new tool and app to get a $400 promotion coupon, a much better offer. How can you be 100% sure you receive the coupon? First, your account needs to be created in the past couple of weeks. Second, you have to spend at least $1 to receive the coupon. 3. You have to complete the process of account linking. This is the only way to receive the coupon since these coupons are linked to a Microsoft Advertising Elite partner. So in order to be eligible, you have to be linked to the same partner. That's it. Let's see how you do it in less than 2 minutes. Go to couponer.app/ms. Make sure you reach the right page and then click the green button that says Link your Microsoft Ads account. Once clicked, Microsoft Ads window will pop and you will have to log into your account. Once you log in, the identification process is finished and you move to the second step when you approve the account linking. One click and you're done. Your account is now linked and you receive an email that the linking has been completed. This is when the partner checks for your eligibility. And if you have all it takes that I explained earlier, you will receive another email with the coupon code within a few days. You can now take the code and go to your account, put the coupon code and click redeem and boom, you just saved $400. Thank you guys, I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and check out the links in the description for more free content. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next Microsoft Ads video.